Hello everyone, in this video we will be showing some interesting techniques with respect to multiplication. I will showing you some easy way of multiplying techniques with respect to some particular numbers and how to multiplying numbers and when to multiply numbers faster will be coming in this particular multiplication techniques. Okay, and before those who are not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe, share, like, comment and click the bell icon. Okay, now let's move on this video. Okay, now let's move on this technique. Read this technique first. Here, sum of unit place is 10. Sum of unit place is 10 and digits before that were same. That or same. Sum of unit place is 10 and digits before that are same. That are same. This is a rule. Okay. Now here we are observe here this multiplication can be done just 2 seconds of time. Yes, I will be saying you this techniques. Just observe here and know how we are supposed to calculate in these numbers within 2 seconds of time. 2 seconds of time. Now look here. First one 24 into 26. 24 into 26. Here two rules we follow here. Here first step, last two digit. Here 4, here 6. Last two digit. Here last two digit 4, here 6. We want to multiply in this last two digit. Here 4, here 6. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Last two digit answer is nothing but 24. Next step, first step is last two digit. We want to multiply here 4 into 6, 24. Next step, here 2, here also 2, here 2. 2 after 3, 2 after 3, 2 3s are 6. Next step, 2 3s are 6. The answer is 624. 624. Okay, let's move on the second sum. 38 into 32. 38 into 32. Last two digits are 8 and 2. Last two digits are 8 and 2. 8 2s will become 16. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are here 8. 2. 8 2s are 16. Next here 3. Here 3. 3 multiplying with next number will be 4. 3 multiplying with next number will be 4. So 3 4s will become 12. Answer is 1216. Okay. Next move on the third sum. 63 into 67. 63 into 67. 60. Last two digits are here. Last two digits are 3 and 7. 3 and 7. 3 7s are what? 21. 3 7s are 21. This is 6. This is 6. Okay. 6 multiply with next number will be 7. 6 multiply with next number will be 7. Oh, so 6 7s are what? 42. 6 7s are 42. The answer is 4221. 4221. Next here 81. Fourth sum 81 into 89. Here now here last two digits are 1 and 9. 1 and 9. 1 into 9 will be 1 into 9 will be 9. But you suppose write to a 0 9. Why? Because I have already told you clearly whenever I told you clearly whenever we multiplying last two digit, you suppose write last two digit number. Here last two digit, here 1 into 1 is 9. 9 is a single digit. 9 is a single digit. As you need to write 0 9, as you need to write 0 9. Next 8, here 8 8. 8 after 9. 8 9s are 72. 72. Okay, next fifth one, 43 into 47. Last two digits are 3 and 7. Last two digit here 3 and 7. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. Here 4. 4 after 5. We want to multiply 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Answer is 2021. 2021. Okay. Next, sixth one, 27 into 23. 27 into 23. Last two digits are 7 and 21. 7 and here 27 into 23, last two digits are 7 and 3. 7 and 3. 7 threes are what? 21. 21. Here, next, this is 2. This is 2. Multiply 2 with next number. 2 next number will be 3. 2 threes are what? 6. 2 threes are 6. Okay. Next, 7 sum 116 into 114. 114. Here last two digit. Last digit. Here last, here 6, here 6. 6 4s are 6 4s are here 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Here 11. 11 after 12. 11 into 12 will become 132. 132. Answer is 13,224. Answer is 13,224. That's it. It's a very simple method. Okay, these all sums are very simple. Once again, now look here. When to apply this rule means simple things. Here, sum of unit place is 10. Sum of unit place is 10 and digit before that are same. Digit before that are same. Look here first. Sum of unit place is 10. Unit place. This is unit place. Sum of means what? Sum of means add or plus. Sum of means plus. Sum of unit place. This is unit place. Unit place. We want to add this both number. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 what? 4 plus 6 will become 10. Here 10. Sum of unit place is 10. 10. Next, digits before that are same. Digit before. Here before 2. Here before 2. Digits before are same. Here same. Here also same. Digits before same. If even this sum, here 8, 2. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Here digits are same. Here 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Here digits are same. Here 9, 1, 9. Here 10, same number. Here look here 3 plus 7, 10. Here same digits. Here 7 plus 3, 10, same number. Here 6 plus 4, 10. Here same number. Here sum of units place. Here units place or 10. Okay. Next digits before that are same. See all the sums same numbers. Same numbers. Okay. You can apply this techniques. You can apply this techniques when sum of unit place are 10 and digits before that are same. That time you use this rule. Okay, you can apply this simple this. Then you can applying this simple amazing techniques. You can get the answer within 2 seconds. That's it. Okay, if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.